Dosatron, the global leader of water-powered chemical and fertilizer injectors, presents the Hobby Cultivator system, a revolutionary water-powered dosing solution designed for passionate home and micro growers. To ensure optimal performance of your hobby cultivator, it is essential to calculate flow rates correctly. Let's walk through the process together. First, determine your total gallons per hour by multiplying the number of emitters by their flow rate. For example, 300 emitters at 0.5 gallons per hour each gives a total of 150 gallons per hour. Next, convert gallons per hour into gallons per minute by dividing by 60. This results in 2.5 gallons per minute for this example. Understanding minimum and maximum flow rates is key to optimizing your system. You'll want to choose an emitter that fits within the flow rate of the Dosatron system, which is 0.5 to 5 gallons per minute. The minimum flow rate ensures consistent delivery at low demand, while the maximum flow rate prevents underfeeding at peak demand. For example, let's say we wanted to find the minimum flow rate for 100 plants. First, we need to find the total minimum flow rate of the zone, which in our case is 0.5 gallons per minute. And we multiply that by 60 minutes to get 30 gallons per hour for the minimum flow rate. Then we divide the minimum flow rate by the number of plants. In this case, 30 gallons per hour divided by 100 plants results in 0.3 gallons per hour per plant. The Hobby Cultivator by Dosatron, the groundbreaking new system for home, hobby, and micro growers. Ready to upgrade your grow? Visit Dosatron.com to get started.